Why did I move here?
Hello everybody, how are you there? This is your boy Mod Guy. As usual, now I'm bringing you another vlog, and from the Department of Physical Education to OML. So join me in this vlog and make sure you enjoy.
This is Candice Nyaboke. How are you? Usiuseme I'm fine.
Kwa nini jina ya Kisii yenye napenda inakuanga Nyakundi kwa mboka? Na
why do you like Nyakundi? Okay, why do you like Nyakundi? Why do you like it?
Why don't you like Omabene?
Omabene inakaa nini? Refu.
Omabene, what can you say about that?
Sina maoni. Kila mtu ako na
taste yake.
ya kuchagua.
Okay. And what about you?
What was Sugoi?
Kijana Manchester City.
Wewe unasema Manchester City.
Anyway guys, remember to subscribe and watch more. Okay.
Wait, twende ishia.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah, Candy? Come on guys.
Una post?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Anza tena man.
All right. Yes. Hello.
Uza.
Uko fiti? Very nice. All right, so guys, we're from how do you call it? First aid cut, and we're moving to another venue. As I normally say, I'm here giving you live update.
Si alipost ingine ipate views kwanza ndio alete ingine. Lakini ilikuwa tamu.
Bado video mbili ya boat riding na
Yaani bado hujasema boat riding na ndio tunaitaka.
Hadi mali.
Kulikuwa boat moja. Tulikuwa tunapenda kwa point. Tulikuwa mtu alikuwa alitubeba na hiyo boat. Tulikuwa tunamwambia twende hivi na
twende aje.
Walikuwa na direct.
Lakini wetu ndo alikuwa the best. Alikuanga mbele. Hao wengine tu wanapiga mashot.
Wetu naye content. Anaongea kizungu mpaka inanipita hapa.
Kani naona giza.
Anakaa tu hivi lakini kama amesoma.
Mbona inaleta giza jamani?
Anajua history ya Lekipasha yote. Hadi hizo manyumba.
What are they saying?
I don't have
the brightness is
nikibebanga mtu huwa namwambia.
Yeah, so how do you say about that? But ours was the best. Guys, you can agree with me because you have seen the video. Our driver, how do you call those people who make the boats to move?
The boaters, yeah.
Be intelligent, okay? Don't just answer for the sake of answering. You know, there are people watching this video, and someday maybe you will go into their offices. You will go into their offices.
They studied botany, right? You are wise boys.
You will go into their offices. Then they will say, "I saw this boy in a video, and he didn't know even the meaning of." You see?
Pekee ni 100k.
Yeah,
wale watu ukiona wako pale.
So that is how we say that.
But you agree inalipa kweli?
Yeah.
Sasa utafanya
hakuna kazi ya ilipi hii Kenya.
Okay.
Guys, how is that view? How is that view, guys? Look at Kenyatta University. So we are from a cut here at Physical Education Department. So we're going to another venue. We call it Olemoyoi. How about that? We're going there to do some things there. Then thereafter we're gonna resume to another venue, and you stay tuned. How is that light? Candy bada. Hii simu light inachachisha.
So we are Europeans.
Oh my
all of us.
Our cameras had issues actually. I think it is set to auto adjust of light. Meanwhile, nikiongea kizungu sawa na watu wengine wananyamaza, let me switch the language.
Let's continue with
at least watu wachangie. You know, people like Candy wako hapo tu wamenyamaza. Candy, by the way, uko aje? Ulienda what? Used to be green.
Yeah, sure.
Right now it is yellow. I don't know.
Ati yellow wewe Mungu.
Lakini si ni green bado pia na wewe unachachisha.
Hapo shasema yellow tena unamuruka.
Tunaenda aje, left or right?
Left, right and center. OML. Twende hivi straight.
So let me flip the camera so that you can see another view.
Hey, kwani unajuanga hadi
you know you had asked me more when you are doing these vlogs, make sure you are showing us everything. But you know, I can't use the rear camera because it's gonna capture people's faces and some people don't like that. Maybe they don't wanna sin and stuff, you know. Yeah, but in whichever way, guys,
Wacha maswali mingi, wacha kujibu. Kuna
whichever way lazima kasonge ama namna gani?
Ukijibu na wacha kuwaibisha wanaume.
Yeah. So nani anaibisha wanaume? Men are always right. Okay?
Na Wilbur tena anajibu.
Nani hao?
Si ungewauliza hiyo siku.
Ama
ni
aje
hivyo. Alikuwa anaenda kwa mpoa.
Kandi kana mpoa?
hata sina.
So you have you guys are
You chot.
so those guys are they are
Who chot?
doing sciences there.
I chot.
Sisi wacha tungangane ba. Okay?
Wengine wakivaa manini.
Yeah, you know, life is a matter of understanding you yourself. Understand who you are, understand where you're coming from, understand your target, understand what you want. Yeah, sio ku compete na watu, because what matters is what defines you. Okay?
Najua.
Yeah. Unaona venye kumetulia. Semesa iko kwa ango mbaya sana. So tunaenda hivi. Tukifika WML pia nitawaonyesha mchekicheki KU venye iko. Yeah. Everything's gonna be fine. It's gonna be good. As long as you're enjoying. As long as you are smiling.
You ask a certain question here.
Yes.
As much as I responded jokingly, but it's still chewing up my mind. I don't like ending my day with the unanswered questions in mind. How do you call this person who rides the boat? How do you call them? Because one thing I hate in my life is going to bed with question marks.
Yes, yes. It's not good for an intelligent person.
Yeah, sure. And let me tell you something.
Yes.
Let me tell you something.
Yes, tell me, bro.
That every day is a new learning day.
Yeah.
Every
How
day.
do you call that person who rides a boat?
Maybe we try to search, we Google.
Yeah.
Right away, because
Can I tell you something?
maybe that is the.
I have just prompted the AI. It's telling me the person who rides a boat is usually called a passenger.
Sorry, can you uninstall that app?
All right. Maybe you can use yours.
Kama yeye ndio umetumia kufanya hiki.
Hii ndio inatuangusha mtihani.
Now, this is how we can prompt it.
Okay.
If a person who flies a plane is a pilot, how about who rides a boat?
Yeah. Let us know. You tell us in the comment section. Did you know this? If I end the video there, you won't learn.
Google inasema.
Google inasema aje?
Bota.
Button.
Bota alafu ta. Bota, skipper or captain.
No, captain anaendesha
Alafu,
big nini.
Yeah, ferry maybe.
Yeah.
The specific terms depend on the vessel, like sailor.
My tells me
stick
he's a sailor.
Sailor.
Yeah.
Might be a bit appropriate.
Okay. Hi, bro. Let me see. Wait. Kumbe ni wewe bwana. Ukalokhane bwana.
Tuko kwa video.
Uko live.
All right guys, I'm sorry. Siko nimejua ni yeye. Yeah. Jaden, uko fiti? You remember that guy you saw in the bus? By the way, we were talking about the sailors and let me see who is a sailor.
My eye tells me.
Maisha unajua kijana?
Ule mwenye tulitoanga.
Si nile amebadilika bwana.
Amefura.
So let us see if it is a sailor or a captain. You know, these guys are not helping me.
Mwenye anaitwa
Sailor. So a sailor, a person whose job is to work as a member of the crew of a commercial or naval ship or boat. So I think it is we really need to narrow down.
I don't think it's a sailor, because a sailor up to that point has a general term. Yeah, sure.
So we wanted a specifically boat.
Term. Yeah.
Who's gonna help us with that?
Because you cannot tell me.
Hi there. All right.
You cannot tell me that we have air hostess, we have pilots, and we have the cabin crew.
Yes.
They are all working in the air, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so I'm sure there is a general term for such people.
Yeah.
So sailors, then it it's a general term. Used to refer to aquatic workers.
Yeah. Those working in the crew itself, yeah?
Sure.
Hey, so it means that every day is a learning day?
Yeah, every day is a new learning day.
My viewers, please help me. Please help me, guys. Come on. I need to know this. Because as you can see, we've tried with our... We've tried, but we don't have a good response. So hakuna class.
Sasa umuendi na ukiongea unamfuata
Ngoja, hakuna class kwani because I'm seeing the lecturer is coming from where we are going to. What's the meaning of that? Anaenda penye sisi tunatoka. Okay, next time I'm gonna come with my stand, you know, holding this phone with this hand, it's sometimes tiresome.
It's tiring.
So, by the way, I haven't flipped the camera to show you this view. Let me flip.
Flip it. Show them the mighty K.
Flip. Tafadhali, flip.
Let me flip. Flip. Yeah, so this is where we are. Look at that view. Come on, guys. Why don't you join Kenyatta University? Huh? Someone told me more. When did you get to UK? Then I told them no. Come on, I'm not in UK. Just here in Kenya.
You are in KU.
Then you add double T and A, make it Kenyatta. Oh my days.
UK to KU.
Oh my goodness. Wow. That's amazing. Alright guys. This is our institution of higher learning. This is where we bend. Yeah? You know bending? Kandi, have you ever bent?
Even now.
Hata saa hii nimebend.
Hii kubend ni constant.
Class kutoka 7.
Hey, make sure you eat well before coming to class.
To avoid reckless fainting.
Yeah, because you know in campus there are a lot of funny things happening, you know. Some people are not making it. So I normally tell people the first thing you should do is to give yourself a priority. Okay? Like it is you.
The one talking.
The first priority is you. Yeah. He's asking me whether I've eaten. He's asking me whether I've eaten. Come on.
I really doubt if the answer can be yes.
Some other friends are calling us from behind. Come on guys.
Mo kuna penye wanauza omena ya 40.
What's omena, guys? These guys want me to they want me started, but I won't. I won't.
The young ones of fish.
They want me started.
Finger what? Finger.
Oh,
Fingerling.
The young ones of fish. No. Why are you using this road instead of footpath? You know it's not good. You can be hit by these cars. We should be using the footpath. Let me not take the number plate. You know I can be. Yes, tell me, bro, man. Manila Pepper iko wapi? Hapa. Zizi, I'm going to other place and I'm doing a vlog. Are you getting? Are you getting? Come, let me show you. I will show you. Come. Oh, you know this vlog, man. There are people who. No. I don't want to be like him. Of course, I'm doing my own things. And to your information, by the way, Show Speed doesn't do vlogs. Yeah, that man doesn't do vlogs. It's just that he likes streaming his videos, you know. So, unaona hapo pameandikwa printing and stationery. Hapo ndo mnaingilia. Then ukiingia enda straight, turn to your right. Ni hapo. Okay. Yeah. Are you good up to that point?
Not yet.
You must be. Let me just show them, you know, these guys are so rude. They're just talking to me like, yeah. So muingilia hapo. On your right. Alright guys, let us resume. Yeah, so let me run. Nifikie wale watu wengine. Juu ameniachanisha. You know? Ndio huko mbele. So you are join me from the Department of Physical Education and Sports Science. We are going to another lecture. That is EDU. I don't know the code, but inclusive education. It is at sorry, OML. I don't know the exact OML. Hey, come on! What are you shouting? And it's recording. Yeah, so I've shown you how this place looks like. You guys are so rude. Mnapitia katikati ya roundabout.
Yes, this is KU and we are KU.
Yeah, let me flip the camera. So sisi bado we are still going. So what were you saying? This semester, how many times have you gone to that library?
I've never gone there.
Okay.
I went there
I think
once.
this is the only building here in Kenyatta
Once
University
during orientation.
which witnesses rare attendance only at the end of the semester, and especially when the pressure is high.
When the pressure eases.
Yeah, sure. When the pressure is, yeah, it's
Okay, you guys, this university was put here for you guys, okay? That's why they constructed it. And it is actually
it is the largest library in East Africa.
Yeah.
But they're not using it.
But I heard when people, it can accommodate up to how many people? Thousands of people.
Thousands of people.
Yeah, let me show you the library. Where is it? No, I won't show you. I won't show you because no, let me flip the camera so that you can see very well. Unfortunately, people are not going there. People are not going there. You see, there is it. But people are not attending. People just want to scroll on TikTok and YouTube, you know.
But you see, nowadays we are in a world whereby you don't need to go all the way, the hard way, to go look for hard materials for you to study.
Yes.
I have my phone here, I have my laptop, so what I got to do is just to find a space in my house.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm seeing where technology is taking us.
Yeah, sure.
And that point I can say it is bringing laziness and
I handled several laptops.
this guy is an IT expert actually.
Several laptops.
Yeah, he's an IT expert. As you can see, he can hack Wi-Fi, he can hack your phones, but it's ethical hacking, guys, not cyberbullying or maybe stealing from people. Yeah. So those who've been asking me, where's the company? Where is it?
What are you talking about?
You guys can
someone told me that sometimes it is difficult for Luos to communicate in pure English.
Luos?
I don't know, yeah. It is usually a tragedy to them.
No, those guys, look at that car, KBV, Mitsubishi, right? This is my first time to see an expensive car here, you know? Yeah.
Where is expensive car?
You know Mitsubishi MZ?
Luos.
Luos are good people. They are disciplined, you know. Guys, can you see it? Yeah. It's over there. So the next time you ask me, don't ask for it because I've already shown you. Just ask for other things. Yeah, there are a lot of things to ask for. Don't just stick on one. Don't just stick on one. What are you saying in the comment sections, guys?
I'm a bicycle.
Alright, tell us in the comment section where you'd like me to go to next time I'm doing this vlog. The other time I took you, I took you to Lake Naivasha and okay, I wanted to say the last time I talked about, you know. Okay, but then someone told me that people can listen, pay attention to you for 1 hour just to pin out mistakes. Okay, no, they're not like they're listening to the content that you are discussing, but they want to point out mistakes. So when you do a small mistake, talk. The last time I talked to you, talk. You see? That's the kind of people we have here. Alright guys, we are now at the OML grounds, as you can see. Let me show you the so-called OML. Let me just flip it. So this is what you call Onesmo Olemoyoi. Who is this guy? Then in the next video I will tell you the history behind that lecture hall, because I know many comrades in Kenyatta University doesn't know the history behind it. So I'll be making a documentary giving you the history behind Onesmo Ole Moyoi Lecture Hall. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss anything when I post on my YouTube channel, because that is where we disperse knowledge. Yeah. So guys, mubaki mkiwa tuned, mubaki mkiwa mmesubscribe, you comment, you like, you share. Yangu ni kuwaletea what you deserve. Na mniambie mnataka niende wapi. Hata kama ni kwa cave, you guys just tell me and I'll be there, man. You know? I'll be there, I'm promising that. Candy, are you ready for this class? You know, mimi ushanga mtu anaenda class ameboeka. Mbona unaboeka? Utaki masomo. You're hungry. Okay, maybe I can buy something for you. What will you eat? What will you eat? Samosa? Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm going to buy this girl samosa. Whether I like helping poor people.
Unaniita poor?
Are you not?
I'm not poor.
Okay, maybe you guys don't have the correct definition of a poor person. It doesn't mean that you are vulnerable. You getting? It doesn't mean that you don't have the ability. Are you getting me? Yeah, it's just that I'm willing to help. Okay? Yeah. So let's see what you're gonna get here. Then if she wants chips, you're gonna buy for her, and tukitoka hapa sasa ndio tuingie class ama namna gani? From here guys, we're gonna go to class. This is where I'm going to buy what we're gonna get there. So I won't show you that. I'll resume after this. Yeah, so nimemnunulia actually, as you can see. Nimembaya chipo na maziwa. Say something about that. Yeah, you know I like taking care of the orphans, poor people. Yeah, so guys, you can support my project of funding people. Huyu nimembaya lunch. Nataka tena niende huko ndani kwa class nitafute wengine pia wenye wanainama niwanunulie kakitu. Hata huyu nataka muone huyu tumbo. Ni wewe. Hiyo tumbo imefura ni mimi. Ni mimi. Hata wengine ndio hawa actually. Kama huyu Benja. Hiyo vitu anakula. Nimempea pesa ya kununua. Tunapelekea mayatima. Mwingine ndio nimembaya samosa. Yeah. So guys, you can support me.
Nasaidia sana.
Karibu sana bro. Karibu sana. Hao ni wasaidizi wangu, but I'm the main. Alright guys, getting to class sasa. Masaa imefika. Si tuingie class. Ama let's get into class. Uko email gani? Where? Okay. She was showing me the way to use. So guys, as I've told you, I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna do another video taking giving you the history behind. Wilba, where are you going? So let me just pause. Yeah, so we are getting to class. Actually. Let's see if maybe kuna leo kama kuna class. So remember to subscribe, because this video I'll do another one showing you the history behind this lecture hall, how they ended up with that name, as you know. So what you all need to do is to subscribe and you remain tuned. Do you remember this girl? Do you remember her? We were with her in the bus and she's also here. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I'm already getting in. Yeah, so this is where, yes. I didn't see Katu. Do you remember her? That girl was using her front seat. We were with her for the 3 days you saw her. Yeah, so how are you? You good, bro? Mimi acha nikae nyuma. Acha nikae huko nyuma because I want to control the backward. You know? So guys, this video is coming. I want to show you the history behind the lecture halls. As you can see, it's coming on YouTube, man. Make sure you subscribe. Kandu na kambele. Kai. So guys, I will resume the video when I'll be getting out of the class. Yeah, sure thing.